You should be more generous to people. Do you know what is generous? What is the meaning of generous and kind? Can you elaborate? Huwag mo akong pangaralan dahil mas may alam ako kaysa sa'yo. Huwag kang maging toxic sa buhay ng may buhay. Mind your own, okay? What do you living? What do you living? Did you say what's my job? What's my work? I'm a what do you call that one? Nangulikta ng basura. Garbage taker.